Want to start a business? Use Pixlr to conceptualize your brand. Let's imagine you're starting a small business selling delicious Chinese bun, bao. You have a great food idea, but how do you turn it into a real brand that people can see, feel, and remember? Today, we'll show you how to turn it into a complete brand concept using Pixlr. Every brand begins with a foundation. For this bao business, red is chosen as the primary color, as it's deeply rooted in Chinese food culture. To soften the intensity, beige is added as a secondary color that is inspired by soft dough. Now let's start generating the logo. Open Nano Banana AI Image Editor. Upload your visual references and make any edits you need. After that, you can upload your color palette to match your logo. Next, open Pixlr Express to refine your design. Experiment and play around with the typography placement and fine-tune the visuals until the brand identity feels cohesive. With the logo style and color palette finalized, the brand foundation is complete. From here, you can start expanding the identity across menus and other brand materials. Now it's time to expand the brand world. Start by creating a mood board in Pixlr AI Image Generator to define the look, mood, and visual direction of the brand. To bring the brand closer to real life, you can generate scene-based visuals such as people enjoying the steamed bao, a waiter serving freshly steamed bao, and chef in the kitchen. These scenes helps visualize how the brand exists in everyday moments. Next, generate visual assets that can be reused across future designs. This includes creating close-up shots of the steamed bao, making the mascot walk, or even producing scene mock-ups. These assets can later be adapted for menus and other brand materials, helping to bring your brand to life. All generated visuals are then compiled into a cohesive mood board. This collage brings together product, scene, texture, and branding elements, helping the brand feel unified. Next, designing the menu. With the brand foundation fully established, the brand is now ready to move into functional design applications. Open Pixlr Express and create a new canvas to design the menu. For the front page, reuse the visual assets created earlier, such as the walking mascot. Then, add text and experiment with the layout, spacing, and hierarchy. For the back page, arrange all the menu items and price clearly. Ensure both sides remain consistent in layout, color usage, and typography to maintain a cohesive brand system. With that, you can create a mock-up too. Include a bao image as the background, then add a shape behind the image to create a subtle shadow effect. Now, conceptualize a storefront that establishes your brand identity. Start by uploading your reference image in Nano Banana Image Generator. Refine the storefront by adjusting details to match your vision. Then use AI Image to Video Generator to animate the exterior, adding subtle motion like people walking or passing by. Now visualize your interior. Create an image of the interior by describing the lighting, mood, layout, and overall theme. You can also directly create different scenes such as pouring hot tea and serving steamed bao using a consistent background theme. Just make sure the lighting, mood, and layout work together to maintain a cohesive atmosphere. With the final image, the same thing. Use the image to video generator to animate the scene, making the scene alive. With these, you'll have a compilation of food, drink, and an atmosphere scene. Combine them into a single collage, which can also be used as a social media post to showcase your brand's identity. With that, this is how a simple business idea becomes a complete brand concept. From foundation to branding, space design, and experience, Pixlr helps you shape your vision and bring it to life.